Welcome back to Wheel Warrior, your ultimate destination for all things fast, stylish, and unforgettable on four wheels. Today, we're spotlighting a car that marks both an end and a beginning for Lotus. The Emira is the brand's final internal combustion sports car, and what a send-off it is. Design and presence. At first glance, the Emira is unmistakably exotic. Inspired by the all-electric Evija hypercar, its bold front splitter, sculpted sides, and wide rear give it serious supercar vibes. Every vent, curve, and surface is crafted not just for looks, but for purpose, with genuine aerodynamic function baked into its design. It's a head-turner with an edge of menace. Engine and performance. The Emira offers two distinct powertrains. The V6, sourced from Toyota and supercharged by Lotus, is raw, mechanical, and available with a 6-speed manual, a rare treat these days. On the other hand, the AMG-sourced 2.0L turbo inline-4 is quicker shifting with its DCT and appeals to those craving a more modern, efficient experience. Both setups are tuned to Lotus standards, responsive, balanced, and built to thrill. Chassis and handling. Lotus has always prioritized feel over figures, and the Emira is no exception. With a bonded aluminum chassis, near-perfect weight distribution, and precision-tuned hydraulic steering, it delivers a level of feedback most modern sports cars can't match. Whether on a winding B road or a track day, the Emira invites you to push harder and drive better. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Emira breaks new ground for Lotus. Gone are the Spartan, stripped-down cabins of the past. In their place is a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials, bucket seats that strike a balance between comfort and support, and modern tech like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assists. It's a true sports car you can comfortably drive every day. Customization and options. Lotus gives buyers plenty of room to personalize. From lightweight forged wheels to track-focused suspension setups and a range of vibrant paint finishes, the Emira can be tailored to suit both your style and driving intentions. Whether you want weekend luxury or full-on driving purity, there's an Emira for you. Pricing and value. Starting around $85,000, the Emira offers something rare, supercar looks and genuine performance without the six-figure price tag. Compared to rivals like the Porsche Cayman or Alpine A110, the Emira delivers a more visceral, analog experience that stands out in a world of tech-heavy performance cars. Conclusion. The Lotus Emira isn't just a swan song for internal combustion, it's a love letter to driving. With its stunning design, sharp handling, and Lotus soul, it captures everything enthusiasts cherish. As the brand looks toward an all-electric future, the Emira reminds us why we fell in love with Lotus in the first place. Thanks for riding with Wheel Warrior. If you love cars that move your heart as much as they move you,